this guy? Is he a plushie? Where'd you find him? Yeah, you're a mom. You understood that. Not a big deal. Look at that. Look at that handcuff. That is... Oh, that's nice. Did that thing just poop out babies? It's pooping out babies. Oh my gosh. Go get him. There you go. Shoot them all. You have a rocket launcher? How do you have a firework launcher? That is so cool. I'm very pleased with these. I might actually keep these for myself. Wait, what? Anyone want to come over and help try them out? Nico, you want to come over and help try these out with me? Thank you! I love crafts. Appreciate that love and support!